Hi guys, today we are going to play with L.O.L. Is this Jasmine? Where's the table?
It's been a long time you haven't played with your LOLs.
Yeah. Good umbrella.
It seems that you were busy. How many LOLs do you have?
I don't know, it's so much. Oh. The snack car. Wait. This Jasmine girl is going to work here. She's slipping.
The other one is laying down there. In the car in the front. I like her dress. She looks great.
I think it's... I forgot. It's a wonderful fun. Oh, this girl is like, ooh, ooh, ooh. She can be here. Wait, can we change this? There we go. I like her outfit. What is your name again? I don't know. I can't stand. I'm going to be here. I'm gonna sleep. Good night. There you go. She smiles to you. Oh, baby scissors. Oh, okay. Paper. Paper. We're both paper. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Paper. Paper. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Paper. Paper. Why are we all pick? Why are we both always picking? Oh. Wake up. What's going on here? Green. This baby is the best.
What do you want to eat?
Cupcakes. Let me steal this cupcake.
Oops. Oh, sorry guys. You fell.
They can't walk now.
What cupcake do you want?
What kind of cupcakes?
Chocolate? Vanilla?
Chocolate.
What's your favorite food, Sean?
Pizza and bread.
Wow, I love
Wait,
pizza.
you can open this?
It's her bangs.
She's gonna lay down up here. Not yo-yo girl.
Is that a bed now?
You on the ground.
Oh, maybe they fell. They're ill. They're sick.
I'm not sick.
Oh, somebody fell. Maybe she fainted. Maybe they're hungry. They didn't order yet.
They ordered now.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what.
Ask each one of them what they like to eat.
I don't like to eat.
It's taking too long, girl. I'm so hungry. What's your order? Alright. How about the other one? What's their names? Anna?
I forgot their names. I used to know them because I used to watch L.O.L videos.
You can name them if you want.
This one is Anna. I think I remember one of the L.O.L's names, Popstar.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Let's order ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
What flavor do you want?
Chocolate.
Oh no, chocolate again. But it's bad for you. Order green tea, matcha ice cream.
Or vanilla.
Okay, vanilla.
How about you?
I want coffee ice cream.
Okay.
How about strawberry? Oh no.
Oh,
I fainted. I'm so hungry. It's taking too long.
Maybe it's the line too long.
A lot of the girls are lining up to order. They serve so slow here. I want a cola, large fries, and a
Large
burger.
everything.
Yeah, because I'm so hungry. I don't want to faint like these girls. Maybe they're on a diet.
They just fell.
Maybe they fainted.
They didn't faint. They just fell.
Okay.
Because it's too. I'm trying to make.
So where are you going after here? Let's go watch a movie or shop.
I don't know.
Don't you have school? Are you done with school?
My school is.
Yeah, it's done.
Guys, I'm gonna go home now. Bye.
Okay, mom is waiting for you.
Oh,
She didn't even get to eat.
she already ate it.
Oh, I thought she didn't eat yet. Okay, so this girl is like laying down on the floor.
Everyone is like, this girl can't stand.
Oh no, maybe she's hungry.
There you go.
Okay.
This girl like has a germ hair.
Oh no, what kind of virus?
You already know what I'm gonna say.
Let me see her hair. Whoa, what does it look like?
A virus.
Coronavirus.
I was about to say that. A coronavirus.
Oh no! Oh, I like her hair.
Everyone is scared of me because my hair is like coronavirus.
Oh no!
Virus. Wait. We all forgot our mask.
Oh no! Go home! Everyone, go home now! Oh!
Everyone fell.
Oh no! Everyone's going home. They went home now. They're not wearing masks. Okay. Okay, bye. Go wear your mask first. Bye. Bye, Sean.
I'm gonna lick off the floor. Lick, 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 lick.